Are you tired of legal work taking forever? You're not alone. Law firms are turning to AI tools like Harvey to speed things up. But does Harvey live up to the hype? That's what we're going to be learning today in this video. Welcome back to the channel as we take a look at Harvey AI to see if it really is the future of legal tech in 2025. So let's get started. Let's go. We're going to uncover the good, the bad, and whether it's worth your time. Let's find out if it's really the AI that is a game changer for legal terms. What is Harvey AI? Harvey AI isn't just your average computer program. Oh no, it isn't. It was built for industry leaders. It's all of your work in one integrated, secure platform. It is tailored to your expertise. You have rapid research grounded results. You have secure project workspaces, and it helps to streamline your work. You can unlock professional class AI for your firm, enterprise grade security, prompt libraries, and domain specific models. David Workman says he wants to free the lawyer from modern routine tasks so they can focus on what matters, which is strategy, advice, and judgment. This has become the mantra for their team. So you can unlock professional class AI for your firm. So now let's get into it. It was created by him, by the way. It was created by Harvey, not this guy, by Harvey. Let's see if we can find a picture of Harvey. Okay, this is the president and co-founder. This is CEO and co-founder too. These are people that support it. So there's no picture so far. You can also apply for their jobs. Look at it. You can join them by applying here. Alright, let's go. So it is a super smart AI that is designed for the legal world. It is like a supercharged legal assistant but without the coffee breaks. Created by an AI startup called Harvey and created by a big London-based law firm, this tool aims to shake up how lawyers work. It has been trained on tons of legal documents, so it knows the law inside and out. That means it can help with tasks like research, drafting contracts, and even predicting how a case might turn out. Who created Harvey? Harvey AI was born for a collaboration between OpenAI and a London-based law firm called Allen and Overy. So OpenAI are the folks behind ChatGPT. They teamed up with the legal egos at Allen and Overy to bring the power of AI to the legal world. Their big idea was to make legal services easier, faster, and more affordable. So they envisioned a future where Harvey AI handles the boring stuff like sorting through legal documents and freeing up players to focus on the important stuff like helping their clients. And they are not stopping there. They plan to roll out Harvey AI to other law firms soon. What are the top benefits of Harvey AI? The top benefits are supercharge your research. They do the research for you, so it's like an assistant. So they assist you. You can see, just ask Harvey. Just ask and he will do it for you. So these are the stuffs you can get from it. So supercharge your research. Harvey AI is developed by the AI startup. These two mountains of case law models and legal documents faster than any human. It also minimizes errors and maximizes accuracy. Has been tested by major law firms and has been trained on a massive collection of legal materials, so it can help lawyers avoid those little mistakes that can cause big problems. It boosts productivity for legal teams. It uncovers hidden insights. Thanks to its ability to analyze vast amounts of data, it can spot trends and patterns in legal documents that even experienced lawyers might meet. It's tailored to your needs, whether you're a solo practitioner or part of a large firm. It can be customized with custom AI models to fit your specific legal practice area and needs. It means it can become an even more valuable asset to professional services providers in the legal field. The best features of it, the AI assistant. The second one we have is the AI assistant and then streamline workflow. It's like having a personal project manager for your legal work. Personal assistant, the vault, knowledge, and the workflow. These are the features. Then for customers, you can see the customers here. For security, let's see what we have under security. For the most sensitive matters, Harvey keeps your client data safe with world-class security data privacy measures. So you have enterprise grade protection. You can see it, dedicated security team, independent assessment, security advisory board, enterprise security features. They offer all this. Enterprise residency control, contractual security guarantee. They are compliant with industry standards, industry standards. You can see the details by clicking on them. Security is fundamental to everything they do. So you can see this is David Cunningham. And working with Harvey since 2023. So that is it. Now let's see if we can create an account. I don't think we can create an account. Can we? I don't think we can create an account, but let's go to pricing. Let's start with pricing. So to get a quote that matches your law firm's size and requirements, you will need to contact Harvey AI directly, and they will assess your needs and provide a custom pricing plan. So that's it. We cannot give you a particular price. Now let's look at the pros and the cons. The pros is that it's efficient boost, improved accuracy, increased productivity, data-driven insight, and it's customizable. The cons is the cost, the learning curve, limited scope, and reliance on technology for almost everything. But I think you can do it. I think it's good. I really do. But anyway, if this is not your cup of tea, I can give you some alternatives. Alternatives are Kira, we have Ross Intelligence, we have Luminance, and we have Lexon. So you can use this as an alternative. But don't forget, they also have their strengths and their weaknesses. So compare their features and prices before making a decision. Now, in conclusion, what do I have to say about it? Well, I would say it's a game changer for the legal world. It has been tested by major law firms. It's proven to speed up research, catch errors, and boost productivity for legal terms. This AI is not just for big law firms either. It can be customized for smaller legal practices too. So if you're looking to up your legal game and free up more time to focus on your clients, then Harvey AI could be the solution for you. So if you're ready to see what it can do for you, reach out to Harvey AI today for a demo and a custom quote. Now, if you want to contact the company for pricing, you can click on company up here, and then you can see contact us. So you click on contact us, and then to contact them, it's required that you fill in this form, put in your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, your website, your title, and your team size, and you submit the form. So let's see, first name. So website, we don't have a website, but let's say we had this as our website. Let's say this is our website, and then the title. Let's say title of what? Okay, but that's not. Is it compulsory? I think it is. Anyone's required asterisk, so we have to put in the title. Okay, so let's say small Lego firm. It's a small Lego firm. So the team size, we are just like 5 people. Okay, you have options here. You can use this. Alright. Then you click on submit the form. Thank you for your inquiry. We've received your request, and then you wait for the answer.